Hey YouTubers, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to lock and unlock the VisionPro 8000 by Honeywell. And I've had a few requests of people trying to lock it or unlock it, so I'm going to answer all that right in this video here right now. Alright YouTubers, so right now this is unlocked, so we're going to lock it. Right now we go to menu and we scroll down to security settings. Okay, change lock mode. Right now it's unlocked. Scroll down till you hit fully locked. Alright, I'm going to hit the home button, and then I can't change anything in here because the screen's locked. So now to unlock it, we go menu, security settings, change lock mode, unlocked, and let it save, and done. Now you can change the password or create a password if you have that set up, depending on what you have. Now, I don't have any little kids, and my kids don't mess with it anyways. They're teenagers and they don't mess with it. Only I usually adjust this, or my wife does. So I don't have any issues with that. But if you do, you can set a password on here and lock it out that way as well. So that's an option. If you have any other type of humidifiers, dehumidifiers, UV systems, or anything like that on yours, and you're having an issue with that, I can't really help you with that. I'm just throwing the information out there. I only have a brand new furnace and an old AC system, so it's a little harder for me to help you guys, but I might be able to point you in the right direction, or I might have a little bit of insight on something that could be wrong, possibly. I don't want to give you the wrong information. So that's as far as that goes right now, but I got this done for you guys. I hope it helps. So have a good one. Don't work too hard. Take it easy. Bye.